Hi guys, it's Randy with DBS, Multi-Manufacturing Reps. Listen, we want to give you a little video on some of our new products, and we're going to start with the through-the-wall package SPV, single package vertical unit. This unit was designed by Matt and Jason Bodine, and the question was, how can we improve upon the previous competitor's model? So they came up with a whole slew of improvements from what was out on the market available to us previously, and they came up with this unit. So I wanted you to hear it run at maximum capacity. Right now we're in a hot warehouse. It's, I don't know, close to 90 in here, and the unit thermostat is set up for 64, so there's no way it's going to satisfy that low, but it should be ramped up as high as it will run. Real simply, this unit is inverter technology with DC motors on the VAP coil blower motor and the condenser fan blower motor. So it is going to match load as the thermostat sees it decrease. The capacity of the inverter technology will decrease the motor, the compressor, and make it quieter and quieter. The nice thing about this is, even though your ampacity will be rated at a 20 amp circuit for a 1-ton unit, it's going to run at an average of 5.6 amps. Once it satisfies the load, it stays real low amperage. Just to tell you, if operation on this on the heat mode, it's going to come on and run for 2 minutes with heat strips only, just to condition the air and make sure the heat strips and everything works. Then it's going to go into sensing the air. It's going to turn off the strips, ramp down the fan, and then bring on the compressor. The blower will ramp up, and then it'll satisfy its operation to satisfy the load that it's seeking to meet. If you look over here, you can see it's designed like the competition, with a breaker for the strips, with a pull disconnect for an on-off switch. We have a 24 volt control board, which our low voltage 24 volt controller can tie into, and then it runs with a plug over to the motherboard and the outdoor board. Real simply, this thing works off of 5 sensors and 2 boards. We're going to measure the outdoor ambient temperature, the indoor ambient temperature, the coil temperature, the compressor temperature, and the discharge temperature of the supply. It's going to, with these 5 sensors, seek the most economical way to run. It's been designed for the maximum amount of efficiency for the duration of its operation. So in a hotel room, for example, no guests are in the hotel room, it's warm, say it's 76, they turn this on, it brings it down to 70 degrees in about 15 minutes. And then it just mellows out at about a 5.1 to 5.6 amp drop, and very quiet. As you can hear, this thing is running at high speed, compressor's on, and this is as loud as it'll get. We want to show you how this unit mounts in the wall sleeve. Inside of the apartment, retirement home, or hotel room, this down here is part of the wall sleeve. It's supported by screw down feet in the front, so they can level it or they can raise it up and down, and then it's mounted inside the wall back here. We require a minimum of 6 inches clearance below. The condensate drain under here is tied into the pan that is in the sleeve. So you can slide this unit out with 2 guys by disconnecting the supply duct and the wiring, and take it out and work on it on the bench, take it out and clean it, whatever you need to do. It's very service friendly. Okay, to finish up on the single package vertical unit, you're going to be looking at as high as 18 SEER. It can operate down to 5 degrees without issue, and it can run as high as ½ inch of static, and we're looking at 11.6 EER. Okay? If you have any questions, get a hold of me. I'd love to bring this out to your facility. I'd love to have you come here for a run test to see it in person. Thank you much.